Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Thanks for joining me tonight, and we're going to have another Kikuyu lesson. And today we're going to learn about things that are found in our Kikuyu homes, or some nouns that are found in a house. Now we're going to start right away from the word chair. This is how you call it. Gete, gete. Now, the next thing we're going to learn about is a sofa. A sofa. This is what you call it. Sofa seti. Sofa seti. Sofa seti. Yeah, as you might have realized, there are some words that don't really change from our English words. So like sofa seti is very similar to a sofa set. So we just have no other words for this kind of words, and that's why we call it sofa seti. Now the next thing we're going to learn is a table. This is what you call it. Meda. Meda. The next thing we learn is a TV. This is how you call it. TV. TV. Now, the next thing we learn is radio. A radio. This is how you call a radio. 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 Now, the next thing we learn is a cupboard. This is how you call it. A cupboard. Diro. 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 Now remember, there is there is a cupboard, but in Kikuyu we call it diro. Now, for example, if you want to refer to something like a wardrobe or a closet for clothes, this is what you call it. Diro ya guo. Diro ya guo. Now, we have diro yaikope, or you can say diro yaido. Now, diro yaido is a cupboard. Diro yaguo is a closet or a wardrobe. Diro yaguo. Diro yaido. Now, the next thing we find in a house is a bed. This is what you call it. Getada. 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 Now, the next thing we learn is a newspaper. This is what you call it. Gazeti. 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 Now, the next thing is a pen. This is how you call it. Karamu. Karamu. Now, you can also say, for example, if you want to refer to a pencil, you can say it like this. Fejo. 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 Now, the next thing we learn is a book. A book. Ifuku. ifuku, ifuku. Now, the other thing we learn is a clock or a wall clock or a watch. The, the. If you want to say a watch, this is what you say. The ya moko. The ya moko. The is a clock or a watch. Ya moko is for the hand. Watch for the hand. Now, the other thing we find in a house is electricity. This is what you call it. Vitima. 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 Now, when you are in the house, you have electricity in form of a bulb or for example, a lamp. Now, for example, you want to refer something to as a bulb. This is what you say. Girofu. 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 Let's say, for example, you want to tell someone to turn on the light. This is how you call it. Akia vitima. Akia vitima. Akia vitima. Now, maybe you want to tell somebody to put off the light. This is how you say. Horia vitima. Horia vitima. Now, for example, Now, the other thing we find in a house is water. Water. Now, this is how we call it. My. Maybe you want to refer to the water from the tap. This is what you say it. My mamuferedi. My mamuferedi. My mamuferedi. Maybe you want to refer to water bottle. This is what you call it. My mashufa. My mashufa. Let's say, for example, you want to ask someone for water. Maybe you are thirsty and you want some water to drink, so you ask somebody to give you water. This is how you say. Deviana mai ma konyua. Deviana mai ma konyua. Deviana mai ma konyua. This is directly converted to as, please, can you help me with water to drink? Deviana mai ma konyua. Devia na mai ma konyua. Devia is help me. Mai ma konyua is water to drink. Deviana mai ma konyua. Now, the other thing we find in our houses is we find clothes. This is what we refer to. Guo. 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 Now, in clothes, we have very many categories. We might come to an extra lesson for this, but at the moment, maybe I just mention a few basics, like a pullover. This is how you call it. furana, furana, furana. Now, I think I will do an extra video for how we refer to individual clothes. For now, we have to continue, and our next word to learn is a tablecloth. Getabaya kiaido. Getabaya kiaido. Now, our next thing to learn is a cooker. Riko ria koruga. Riko ria koruga. Riko ria koruga. The next thing we learn is a fridge. A fridge. A fridge is called firiji. 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 Now, our last word for this video is a family. This is how you call it. Family. Family. Now, I'm going to end this video right here. And before I end this video, I want to teach you how you say thank you in Kikuyu. This is what you say. Thank you. Thank you. You can also say thanks a lot. This is how you say it. Ne thank you mono. Ne thank you mono. You can even say thank you mono. Thank you mono. Now, thank you mono everyone for watching my video. Thanks for joining me again, and we come to an end of this video. I appreciate so much, and I appreciate everyone from all over the globe for watching my videos, for liking it, and also for the time you sacrifice to learn something from me. I hope we are going to learn more and more next time. For now, I wish you all a good night, and I hope to hear from you soon. May God bless you, and may you all have a beautiful week ahead. See you. Good night.